here we had a wonderful session with Mr. Hiren Desai from Bangalore, and it's really great knowing you personally as well as financially. So Hirenji, I just wanted to know your feedback on the meeting we had just now. Okay, so what is your takeaway, and how are you taking this further? Any language is okay. Yeah.
And it was acha experience the overall, to even I am from the finance background, but there are other kind of financial planning for the personal level. Oh, he guided me well. कहाँ पे तो fixed income का भी फंडा होना चाहिए, direct equity पे जाए या future assets पे barely you can't depend, because obviously you might have some legal litigations or some other kind of points may come up in future. So वो सारे पॉइंट्स को भी हम लोग को ध्यान में रख के रिटायरमेंट का प्लानिंग करना चाहिए. एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट गिविंग मी दिस काइंड ऑफ थॉट to be prepared for that. And I think what we are learning here is what I learn and learning here is for future planning, and that to be preparation. So yeah, thanks for it. Thanks for very much.
What is your biggest takeaway, like which shifted your mind and which really touches you very much out of the discussion? You're on mute, I think. You put in mute, I think, Mr. Hiren. If I missed, you're on mute, yeah. Yeah, hello. Now it's okay. Now audible. Yes. Now I can hear you. Yes, now you're audible. Yes, you are audible. You are visible and audible.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
There was some problem, I think.
It's okay. Now it's okay. Completely fine.
Yeah. So, yeah.
It's okay. I think
so that is what we know.
Yeah, I got your point. So it's okay. So overall, it's a good discussion we had, and definitely we'll take this forward. And we're looking forward to be more financial fit, and wishing you a great financial life ahead.
Thank you so much.